Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna start to make the components for this small assembly. And we're gonna start with this base, and then we're gonna make this roller, this wheel, and then these other three more small components. This bushing pin and this other one. We have here the drawing. And let's start. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part. And now let's make this plane white. And we'll open a sketch in the top plane. Actually, let's open the sketch in the right plane. And here let's start with line and let's make the next sketch. Select these two lines and make them equal. And now with Smart Dimension, let's define them. This one here will have 45. And this one will have 30. And this one here will have 5. Now we'll go to features, we'll use extruded boss base command, and here instead of blind we'll select mid plane. And here will be 80 millimeters. Press here OK. And now let's open a sketch on this face. And here we'll make the next sketch. We'll start with a center line. Make it vertical, and now we'll select circle. We'll make here a circle. Select this center point from the circle and this center point, this midpoint from this edge, and make them horizontal. And now with Smart Dimension, let's give a radius for this circle and a diameter, and it will be 16. Now select line and let's make the next sketch. We'll make a triangle right here, like this. And then select this triangle with this center line and select here mirror entities command. Now with Smart Dimension, let's give a dimension from this point to this edge. And here will be 15. And from this point to this other point, here will be 30. Now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded cut. And here we'll select through all or up to next. Alright, now let's select from fillet, we'll select chamfer. And here the dimension will be 5. The angle 45. And we'll select this edge with this one. Press OK. Now we'll have to make 2 more holes on this face. We can either make them using hole wizard or selecting this face and opening a sketch. We're gonna go ahead and make them using hole wizard this time. So select here hole. And now here we'll select ISO drill size. And the diameter will be 10. And here we'll select end condition through all. Now let's go ahead and select here position, 3D sketch. We're gonna place one like this and one like this. Now we'll have to make a center line. So select center line. We must make it like this. In the center here. And then let's try to make another one. And this time should be like this. Now we'll select this point with this center line and select here coincident. And now we'll select this point with this other one and select here make along x-axis. Alright, now it's Smart Dimension, let's give a dimension between them, and here should be 60 millimeters. Okay, and now from this one to this one, here should be 30. Now press here OK. And this should be the base for our assembly. This is an assembly for beginners, so if you feel that it's too easy, you can check some other tutorials that I have. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.